Hi, welcome to Let's Talk Context, American English idioms, phrasal verbs, and expressions. I'm Ethelene. For today's lesson, we're going to talk about the expression deep pockets. You know, if you're really looking for an investor, I would consider talking to Rasha because she has deep pockets. If you're really in a jam and you need some cash flow, I would consider talking to Harold because he has deep pockets. So what does it mean to have deep pockets? It means you have a lot of money. You're really wealthy. So much money, in fact, that money is almost nothing to you. Because even the largest expense that everyday people would think is a burden or a hassle or too much, you're just kind of like, I mean, I can take care of that. I can pay that. It's not a big deal. When we think about people who have deep pockets, we think about billionaires, millionaires even. So money is no object to them. It doesn't matter how much something costs because they can afford it. Well, that's it for today's lesson. To learn more American English idioms, phrasal verbs, and expressions, hit the subscribe button. Bye.